Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the radiator fan on a Hyundai Sonata. This one is a 2006 model, but it's the same all the way from 06 until 2010. We're doing some repairs, so we decided to shoot a few videos and show you how to do things. So in order to remove the fan, which is located right here, we need to remove that intake, plastic intake here. It has 3 clips, and what you need to do, you need to unscrew them like that. Okay, you see a little bit, and the middle part will come out, and then you just need to pull, and the centerpiece will come out as well. Okay, and now you can see. Okay, this one is still okay, like that. And now we can just go ahead and pull it out, and we can actually access the fan, which is right here. Next thing that we need to do, right here in this corner, we have one bolt with 10mm socket. So we need to remove this one. And after that we have one more, which is on the driver's side right there. As you can see, this one. Okay, now right here you need to press down, that's for the wire, and pull both parts, you'll come out. Okay, next thing you need to do right here, there is one guide that it goes in, and you need to open this, and on the other side. And after that you can just pull it out. Okay, this is the radiator fan. If you need to replace it, that's how you remove it, and you put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching us, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.